Imagine a future where cars are obsolete, bikes gone, even walking unnecessary. A future where everyone glides effortlessly through life. This wasn't a joke. This was the vision. We will replace walking. In 2001, the world was promised a revolution, a mysterious invention. Tech billionaires whispered, "It's bigger than the internet." Steve Jobs said, "It's as big as the PC." Jeff Bezos smiled, "You'll see." The media lost its mind. Speculation ran wild. Is it a flying car? A teleportation machine? Nope. It was a self-balancing scooter, the Segway. To be fair, the technology was impressive. A two-wheeled vehicle that balances itself. Lean forward, it moves forward. Lean back, it stops. Lean left or right, it turns. No gas, no noise, just smooth, silent gliding. It felt like magic. Invented by Dean Kamen, a genius engineer who also created insulin pumps and water purifiers. He wasn't building a toy. He was building the future of cities. In 5 years, he claimed, cities will be built around the Segway. Investors went wild. $100 million poured into this dream. Tech celebrities lined up, politicians tested it, talk shows showed it off. It was the thing. You'll never need a car again. Streets will be redesigned. We're entering a new era of transportation. The launch? A massive global event. TV cameras, news anchors, crowds gasping. And then they revealed it. A scooter. A really cool scooter, but still a scooter. The reaction? Wait, that's it? First issue, the price. $5,000 for something that doesn't replace a car and feels weird compared to a bike. Second issue, the law. Cities weren't ready. Is it a pedestrian? Is it a vehicle? Does it go on sidewalks, on roads? Nobody knew. Some cities banned it outright. Sidewalks weren't made for fast-moving robots. Roads were too dangerous. It didn't fit. Turns out, humans like walking and biking. And most people felt riding a Segway made you look ridiculous. I'm not paying $5,000 to look like a mall cop. Plus, it was heavy. 45 kilograms, 100 pounds. Try carrying that up your apartment stairs. Battery dies? Enjoy pushing it like a dead whale on wheels. Segway made one critical mistake. It solved a problem that didn't exist. Nobody wakes up thinking, you know what sucks? Walking. Walking is free, healthy, requires zero charging. Bikes are faster, cheaper, already legal everywhere. Cars go longer distances. The Segway? It sat awkwardly, between everything. Too big for sidewalks, too slow for roads, too expensive for fun. Ironically, Segway did succeed in exactly one place. Tourist groups. You've seen them, a herd of tourists wobbling through a city, wearing helmets, following a guide with a flag, beep, beep, and mall cops. By 2020, Segway pulled the plug. Nobody's buying them. The factory shut down. The dream over. A machine once called bigger than the internet became a punchline of a mirror. But here's the real lesson. The Segway didn't fail because it was bad technology. It failed because it didn't understand people. It confused innovation with usefulness. The future isn't about fancy gadgets. It's about solving real problems. If your product doesn't fit into how people actually live, it doesn't matter how cool it is. The Segway is a perfect symbol of Silicon Valley arrogance, a belief that if it's futuristic, people will adopt it. Reality says, if it doesn't make my life better, I won't. So, next time you build something, ask yourself, are you solving a problem or just building something cool for yourself? Because one of those leads to success, and the other leads to Segway. Subscribe before we accidentally invent the next Segway ourselves.